Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Toyota RAV-4. This is the XLE, so kind of mid-level trim. 2,267 miles, so barely used at all. Powered by a naturally aspirated 2.5 inline 4. Still smells like a brand new car. This one, of course, is the all-wheel drive. I do love this red color. One of these is the fuel door. That's the hood door. Not a bad little motor. Ugh. Heated steering wheel, heated windshield, at least for the wiper aspect. Need a little bit of air, please. It's getting warm. Bunch of different drive modes. Got Eco, Normal, Sport, Sport Snow, Mud and Sand, Rock and Dirt, you can have Eco Snow, Normal Snow, Sport Snow. Shut off your auto start stop. Materials in here, they're not half bad. Armrest is nice and squishy. Actually, everything in here is soft touch, which is nice. I mean, this right here is hard plastic. I wish they would have done it a bit better. Oh, there's grooves here, so when you hold on to that, it's not just like holding plastic. I like that. This little cubby here. Very, very nice. They did a really nice job here. Check out the infotainment system. Bear in mind, I haven't driven a Toyota forever, so I have no idea how half of this works. Hey Alexa. Oh. Not set up yet. You have to have it on your phone, I believe. Did Toyota? I don't think so. Nope. But you do have a little fold out here. Nice sunroof, which of course you can open and close. Sunglasses holder. Do that to turn on the SOS system, but enough blabbing. Let's go for a drive. Actually my first time in a RAV-4, and it's the latest one. Enough of that thing sliding around. Now I do like this thing. It's a nice overall SUV. Is it the fastest in the segment? No. But I'm pretty sure discounts on these are pretty great when new anyway. Especially now with the used market. I mean, this one's probably one of the lowest mild used ones out there. And the 2.5 is not a sluggish motor. It works. It's a good powertrain for this thing. And I do believe you can get a hybrid. I'm not sure if they ever did offer a turbo on this. over the bump. Wow, that's actually impressive. Automatic gearbox is actually very, very nice. I think this one's an actual torque converter automatic. I may be mistaken. Wow. Last time I checked, we had like 4 GTIs. We have 2. Oh man, inventory is a thing. Go ahead, put it into sport transmission mode. Wow, that actually sounds really good. I wasn't expecting it to sound that good. For a 4-cylinder. For a 4-cylinder. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.